Assalamualaikum students. Our today's topic is solution of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. This is the third method by which we can solve a quadratic equation. The first one was which we have already discussed, that solution of quadratic equation by factorization. The second which we discussed was solution of quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now we are in the third method by which we can solve a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. So a quadratic equation can be written in the form like this: ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. This is called standard form of the quadratic equation. The coefficient of x square will be taken as a, the coefficient of x will be taken as b, and the constant term will be taken as c. If this form is there, then you have to learn the formula that x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now b, a, c, we have to put the values which we will find from the given equation of a, b and c in this respective formula, and directly we can find the two values of x, which will be the solution of the quadratic equation, and the values of x will be taken as roots of that equation. Fine. For example, we have a question right here, and that is 9 minus 5x square, that is equal to minus 3x. First of all, we have to convert this equation into the standard form. So in this way it can be written minus 5x square plus 3x plus 9, that is equal to 0. I arranged that equation in the descending power of x. Now if you see the original equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the first term is positive, so try to make x square term as positive. So multiply both sides by minus 1. This will become 5x square minus 3x minus 9, that is equal to 0. Now compare this equation with the standard form. So we can have a will be equal to 5, this will be a, this minus 3 will be taken as b, and this minus 9 will be taken as c. Why I am taking minus sign with that? Because b is having positive sign, and in the value positive sign we will never show that. So if there is negative sign, we must have to show that. So that's why b values is minus 3 and c's values is minus 9. So now since we have the formula, x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So put the values in that formula. So x will be equal to minus into minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 3 square minus 4 times 5 into minus 9, and whole divided by 2 into 5. So x will be taken as 3 plus minus 3 square 9, and this minus will multiplied by this minus sign, so it will become positive. 4 5s are 20, 29s are 180, whole divided by 10. X will be equal to 3 plus minus and 189 square root whole divided by 10. And now we have to take the square root of 189 and it must be correct to 2 decimal place. So 189 square root is equal to 13.75. 3 plus minus 13.75 whole divided by 10. Now we have to take the two values of x over here. X will be equal to 3 plus 13.75 divided by 10. This means x will be equal to 16.75 divided by 10. So x will be equal to 1.675. This is the first solution of this equation. The second will be x will also be taken as 3 minus 13.75 divided by 10. So x will be equal to minus 10.75 divided by 10. So x will be equal to minus 1.075. So these are the two solutions of this equation. This is the most easiest way to solve quadratic equation because there is no need to make factors. The thinking process is short. ठीक है, this is the only way, this is the only rule which we have to apply in the practical situations, which must be applied in the practical situations, which we will discuss later inshallah. So if there is any query then you can ask. ठीक है, and the exercise 1b, your assignment is question number 1 and 2, and each question you have to do part of B, D and F homework. If there is any query then you can ask by tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.